Okay, in this video we'll be looking at polynomials. Now all a polynomial means is anything that has a sum of a number of terms. So for example, if you had x cubed plus 8x minus 8x squared minus 3x plus 4, this will be a polynomial term with 4 terms, so 1, 2, 3 and your fourth term here. So these are something that you may be familiar with in your GCSEs. But the term polynomial would not have been used possibly in your GCSEs by your teacher. Now, you should know how to add your polynomials. So for example, if you had x squared plus 3x plus 4, and I was adding that to x squared plus 2x plus 1, all you do, you just add your like terms. So you would get 2x squared plus 5x plus 5. Okay, simple enough. Now what you have to recall is factorizing. Remember, factorizing just means when you put things into brackets. So let's say for example you had x squared plus 8x plus 15. You just have to put them in two brackets. Now remember, the way I teach it is that just think of AM. Put an AM straight away on top of these numbers here. M stands for multiply, so you just need two numbers that multiply to give you 15. That would be 1 and 15, 3 and 5. Which one of those add to give you 8? 5 and 3. So x squared plus 5, x plus 3. The x squared should not be there. It should be x plus 5 and x plus 3. If you multiply this out, give x squared plus 8x plus 15. Now sometimes you get minus numbers involved, so you get x squared minus x minus 12. Now you have to treat this minus x as minus 1, so you need two numbers that multiply to give you 12. So let's just do 1 times 12, 3 times 4. Now we need minus 12, we don't need 12. So to make minus 12 you can do minus 3 times 4, but we need minus 1 at the same time. So what we do, you can do minus 4 plus 3. So you do x minus 4 and x plus 3. Okay, and that will give you minus 1, and minus 4 times 3 will give you minus 12. See, all of which should be familiar with from GCSEs. Now sometimes you get a question where they will give you 2x squared, they'll give you a coefficient, we call that a coefficient of x squared. Now that has a slightly different approach. So for example, if we had 2x squared plus 7x plus 6. Now in this case, the first step that we do is multiply the 2 by the 6. So that will give you 12. Find two numbers that multiply to give you 12. So we'll have 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. Now out of these, which ones add to give you 7? It'll be 3 and 4. So what we do, we split this up. Keep everything else the same, and you split that up. So you got 2x squared plus 4x plus 3x plus 6. And now we factorize each pair. So remember, factorizing, take out what's common. So between 2x squared and 4x, you know that 2x will be common, because 2 is a factor of 2 and 4. They both have x. What do I multiply by 2x to get 2x squared is just x. To get 4x, times it by 2. Again over here, what's common? Positive 3. 3 times x will give me 3x. 3 times 2 will give me 6. And then you just add up what's left outside the bracket and what's inside the bracket. Now it's vital that you make sure that these two are the same. Okay, if your brackets, what's inside your bracket is not the same, you haven't got the right answer. Finally, multiplying out polynomials. If you had x plus 4 times x plus 3, if you're not confident to do it straight away from the bracket itself, just take one out. So you got x right next to this bracket, 4, so I'm going to take this 4 here. It's a positive. Remember, in algebra it's very important that you realise that you would look at things from this way. That's a positive x, that's a positive 4. So we'll take out the 4 times by x plus 3. So now you have x squared plus 3x plus 4 times x will be 4x plus 12, and again just add your like terms. So x squared plus 7x plus 12. Okay, so that was just a quick recap on what you should already know for C1. Thanks for watching.